Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here that you see from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, and if you need to find where the ignition switch relay fuse is located, where you can find it, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the ignition switch relay fuse guys, where you can expect to find it. Okay, let's explain about that now. We'll demonstrate on that Toyota Corolla right here. Now you guys have multiple fuse boxes. Today we'll work in just one. For ignition relay fuse, you need to open the driver door. Once you open the door, you need to look under the dash on the left side. Look upside down on the bottom of the dash. You will find one white cover that looks exactly like this one here. Pop that top open. Once you remove it, you will find interior fuse box with a layout that looks like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the ignition relay fuse, where you can expect to find it. Oh, by the way guys, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste money and time. You can find parts and tools for any car, by the way. So here that's fuse 1 through 16, that's 17 through 32. In this row here we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the ignition relay fuse guys that you need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.